Hey guys, the Orient Traveler Z here. Welcome on board Royal Caribbean's Quantum of the Seas. Today, I'll be taking you on a tour on board this super cruise liner. Walking on board from the gangway, you are immediately greeted by the stunning Royal Esplanade. The Royal Esplanade features plenty of shopping outlets and is a social venue where formal night and events are held. In the mood for drinks? Head to the Harp and Horn pub, an Irish-themed bar. Or if you're in the mood for something more futuristic, have a drink prepared by a machine at the Bionic Bar. Be captivated by the precision and deliberate motions of the robotic arm as it whips up your cocktail. The music hall is a great venue to chill or hit the dance floor and enjoy fun group activities. If you prefer watching performances instead, the Royal Theatre features nightly performances from dances to magic. The main lift lobby has a 9-story high ceiling flanked by 6 glass bubble elevators. Feeling peckish? The 270 Cafe offers quick bites between meals, such as sandwiches, tea, and coffee. Head to the adjacent 270 Lounge to enjoy a panoramic 270-degree vista out the back of the ship. Or visit the secluded library for some peace and serenity. As the sun sets, the lounge comes alive to the sound of music, where late-night parties and unique performances are held. Wake up refreshed the next morning and head to the pool deck to enjoy a stunning sunrise. The pool deck is also where cooking demonstrations are sometimes held. At the forwardmost area of the ship is the solarium, an indoor pool where the weather can't spoil your day. One of the most unique features of the Quantum-class ships is the Seaplex, a multifunction space that can serve a variety of activities. Bumper cars at sea or laser tag, this place is full of surprises. One expects quality food when going on a cruise, and this is where Quantum of the Seas shines. There are 4 different themed main dining rooms, but all serve the same incredible tasting dishes. With a myriad of selections to choose from. crab cakes, to pasta, to buttered chicken, there are plenty of choices to suit any palate. Every dish shown here is complimentary and included in the cruise fare. If a buffet is more your style, head to the Windjammer Marketplace, a staple on board Royal Caribbean ships. Savor a wide assortment of dishes and feast to your heart's content. For the night owls, the Cafe Promenade offers a wide variety of pizzas late into the night. As the cruise comes to an end, take one last opportunity to ride the North Star, a one-of-a-kind feature found on board Quantum-class vessels that elevates you well above the ship and offers a bird's-eye view as we sail into the sunset.